Hey guys, my name is Saida. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I know this video has been long overdue. I apologize for that. I have been busy. I am going to keep this simple and short. At this point, I think I'm talking too much. Let me just get right into the video. So this video is going to be about the step 2 of your USRN journey. I've already uploaded a video about the first step of your USRN journey. If you are lost in this conversation, please go back to my channel and watch the video on the first step of your USRN journey. In that video, I actually explained how to get your CS report, which is actually the first step. Okay, the second step is choosing your board of nursing. They ask, how do I choose a correct board of nursing? And that is why I'm making this video. So some board of nursing would require you to add your SSN number, and we all know that if you do not reside in the US, you cannot have a social security number. So I'm here to show you which board of nursing to choose. Do yourself a favor and avoid certain board of nursing, because once you start the process with them, you're going to get fed up. You need to get a social security number to be able to get a multi-state license or to be able to even continue with your process. And I am bringing you this information just to save yourself the stress of going through all of that.
I'm saying it again, guys. Please save yourself the stress. Go in for a state that wouldn't require you to have an SSN to register. New York is one of those states, but unfortunately it doesn't belong to the compass states. We have Texas, we have New York, Illinois, West Virginia, Montana, Colorado, and Northern Mariana Islands. I believe there are other states, but these are the ones that I was able to read on. So guys, I would recommend this. Once things are changing quickly, guys. New Mexico used to be part, but recently they changed their requirements. That is why you don't have to waste time at all with this whole process. So guys, all the states you're seeing in this video belongs to the compact states: Nebraska, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Dakota, Ohio, Texas, Virginia. So all of this belongs to a compact state, which means that if you have a license in either one of these, you can be able to work in the other states. Yes, so that's a good thing about having a compact state license.
Okay, if you want to know whether you can actually do without a social security number, just go on their website, okay, and just click on initial application for maybe out-of-state applicants, okay, and just read the requirements. Once you choose which board of nursing you want to work with, all you have to do is to start your application. Go to initial application, register with them, and pay the fee. So for some board of nursing, you would have a portal and you can be able to send messages, ask questions, okay. Board of nursing will actually require you to do your criminal background check.
So guys, this is the fingerprint cards that most board of nursing would require you to use. You can purchase it on Amazon. It's the FD258 fingerprint card.
So you need a fingerprinting card, okay, and you need to get your fingerprints taken, and it has to be done properly, because if it's not done properly, it will be rejected and it will be a waste of money. You can take it to a police station, local police station, or a fingerprinting agency, and get your fingerprints taken. Mail it to whichever institution you have been instructed to mail it to. Board of nursing, you have to mail it to the SBI or to Gemalto and other ones. It all depends on which one your board of nursing would want you to mail your fingerprint cards to. So guys, after you're done with the fingerprinting, all you have to do is to go on the NCSB website and register with Pearson VUE. Once you register with Pearson VUE, they are going to release your ATT, and when you receive your ATT, you can book for your exam. Guys, the second and the last video of the USRN journey. If you need any more information or you still have further questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your USRN journey. Bye.